Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Seems to be an easy one, so let's see. Let's remove everything today. Okay, so A and B. I'll give style. We don't need the closing tag, and now I will use star. Background, and the background will be this dark brown color. Let's paste it. Now I will give it position fixed and color this red one. So paste it. Now A. So A is going to be, I'll take a rough guess of 100 and 100. So height and width will be 100. Border radius, and the border radius will obviously be 50%. I didn't put the semicolon, my bad. And I forgot to change the background color. Great. So the background color is this red one. Okay. We made it a bit too large. Let's make it 80. Yeah, 80 seems to be the perfect value for it. 80 and 80. Now obviously margin to place it perfectly where it has to be. I'll place it at the top first. So 50. 52 and 110, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 152. A perfect one. Now we'll give box shadow. That's why I used color there, and the box shadow will be of 100 Q and 0. I obviously knew it is not going to be 100 Q and 0. Let's use pixel instead. So 110, 20. Okay, I am giving the wrong parameters. 50, 60, 70. I have to change this one, and it will be, I think, 110 pixel. 100. Yeah, although there is a slight difference, but we can let it be there. So now it will be minus 70 pixel and 100 pixel. Perfect. Now it's turn for B. Obviously we'll first set the border radius to be 0. And then we will use I'm a bit confused. So width will be 20, height will be more than that, obviously. It was 80, so I will give 120. And now we will box shadow none. Now I'll use margin to place it. But where should we place it? I'll go with 100 only. 110, 20, 30, 40, 80, 182. And obviously now downwards 110, 20, 30, 40. Okay. 130 is last. After that 132 will give us a slight difference. So 130. Now I'll increase the height to maybe 180. 170, 60. Okay, 162. And now here I will make A, B, C. Because we cannot use any other property to replicate the B one, because we have to rotate it also. So I'll give rotate 90° and take it a little above. So margin, I'll first put the same margin, which is 130 and 182, and I will change it to 192. Okay, 182 is perfect, but that one has to change. So 120, 112. Okay, 111. Let's submit it and hope it is a 100% match. Like, it seems to be one, but we can't be sure. Okay, so it is the 100% match. Okay, today's solution was not really, I would say, I won't say it was a properly efficient solution, but things just didn't go as I thought they will. Or we can leave it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.